Yo, check out this '03 Angel vintage paintball gun. Thing works excellent. Just shot it the other day. Got lots of paintball stuff coming up online, so check it out at Best Shopping Deals 2011. Comes with the charger. Thing's all charged up. So take a look here. We'll show you what's happening. Here's the instruction manual. Shows you everything about the gun. It's got an extra custom CP Products barrel on it with the stock barrel. Plus the little nose cover, as you see right there. Give you a close-up look at it all. For the air tank. Flip it around here, take a little closer look. That's where you turn it on. This thing is ready to go. Throw your air in, drop a top on for your paintballs, and fire away. Don't forget it is used. There's the charger. Goes in the back, plugs into the wall. This is a vintage gun, original. Check it out. You got any questions? Let me know. Try to help you with it. Hey, dig it. Have a great day.